You excited for today? Standing out in the cold. Do you think you'll get your card?
Nope.
Do you think we'll get chocolate though? Dubai chocolate? Yeah?
I'm getting something out of this.
We are here. There's a small line. It's very small, but yeah, you can't really see it. But I mean, he's out there. It's like 23 degrees in Westmont. And they have maybe, this is not the correct time, so it's an hour back. So yeah, they have about maybe 2 hours. Ugh. Yeah, not excited. I am sick again, so I am not going to be playing out in the cold because I still am getting over this. But I will, if he needs anything, go and help him. But yeah, I brought a bunch of blankets and stuff to sit in the car if I do decide to turn it off. But right now it's on, so I'm gonna relax and hope to God that this ends. Every time he needs me to do something with him, it's always freezing out. Last time it was like going to a football game in like this same temperature. So yeah, I can't do it anymore. We are so tired but hungry that we got Popeyes, which I haven't had in a while. Are you happy about it? Mr. Frozen?
Not happy.
Not happy. It's so cool. We couldn't get the Dubai chocolate anywhere because everything's still closed till the afternoon and we need to go home soon. But, you know, we got this. This is something. The cool part about this store, too, that I didn't mention, was that I used to go to one when I was, like, visiting in Madison all the time. And that is actually where I heard about this place. And, like, it was so cool because you can pick out your candy. And it was just a fun place. And then, so we went in here, and I haven't been in one of these stores in, like, years. Like, maybe over 10 years. And the guy was like, yeah, I ran that store, and now I'm running this one. And it was just so sweet. But he said that the one in Madison's now closing down. So he had me and Nick walk all the way in the back and get to sign some cards for like the employees that worked there. And I'm like, this is so cool that I was able to be a part of something that I remember, and just happened to find out when I come into here that he was the manager of that store too. So it was such a cool little thing, and the guy is super cool. So if you're ever at the Woodfield Mall in Schaumburg, try out this place and meet the super cool manager because he's awesome. Because I loved those keycaps so much, I'm going to put the new ones on. So this is what my current keyboard looks like for my home computer. And the last keycap set that you saw was for my work keyboard that I bring. And this one has the numpad, which this is actually partially the original keycaps. A lot thicker, bigger. This side even has the silent switches, while this side has the normal keycaps and has a little bit of a creamier sound. So this is gonna sound a little different with the new keycaps on, but I am gonna miss this look because it was very fun to have this kind of design. It was supposed to look like a matcha latte, and now it's gonna look like Dungeons and Doggies. So yeah, that's gonna be fun because it's gonna have little Shibas all over my keyboard. I'm excited.
Instead, he took the Baron to France so he could continue
Okay, so here's the difference already in sound. So a lot of that contributes to the foam that goes underneath your bass, sometimes even the bass, and also the keycaps and your switches. So the switches I have are called Wisteria, and they make it sound like this with these keycaps. And even some of my other ones, where they are located, sound different. So this was one set that I had, and I matched it up with this. Those sound a little different. And then these are the new ones. And yes, I'm still trying to feel a certain way about the green with the orange colors that I'm gonna be putting on here. I'm kind of liking it, but then everything sounds so different. All right, we're getting somewhere. Honestly, this is growing on me. The colors are growing on me with the green. I don't have the big shift button, so unfortunately, yeah, he would have been cute right here. That's okay. And I know this may be irritating to some people because I'm doing it partially just so I can memorize the board a bit too as I'm taking them off. But also, it's just fun to kind of compare between. But yeah, I'm working my way. All right, here's the whole board now. It's beautiful. There is double functions that happen on here, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to remember that. But oh my god, it's so cute. Cutest saviors in the world. Little Shibas. Sounds great too. Even these, the silent ones. Ah, I love it. Come here, come here, come here. Hi. We need to have you always shown. There's actually a Shiba plush over there that she has not messed with, thank God. But we always have to show the cute baby. Right? Yeah? She's just happy.